Hello everyone, how are you all? Today we are going to study case that is of Makhan Singh versus Kulwant Singh AIR 2007 Supreme Court 1809. ठीक है, AIR is All India Reporter. Now, this case is basically related to topic of joint family and co-parcenary. You people can check out in your books as well. So, what happened in this case? So, what was observed in this case of 2007 by Supreme Court? See, in this case, Supreme Court observed that if a male Hindu member of the joint Hindu family purchased the property by his own income, like salary, income, such property is his self acquired property, and such property is inherited by his heir by succession. It could not be said to be the property of joint Hindu family. Now, see, सबसे पहले you people should know what is a self-acquired property. So, what is self-acquired property? Property which is not joint is called self-acquired property. See, it is also said to be as a separate property, means which itself, the word separate itself suggests that the family was formerly joint but has now become separate. ठीक है, और आप लोगों को ये पता होना चाहिए कि जो ये सेल्फ एक्विजिशन एक टर्म होता है, ठीक है, इट व्हाट सिग्निफाइज दिस टर्म. सो ये सिग्निफाई करता है दैट द प्रॉपर्टी हैज डिवॉल्व्ड अपॉन हिम इन सच अ मैनर एज नो बडी एक्सेप्ट हिमसेल्फ हैज एनी इंटरेस्ट इन इट. ठीक है, दैट इज द सेल्फ एक्विजिशन. तो ये दीज आर दी सर्टेन टर्म्स. नाउ अब इस केस में आते हैं मक्खन सिंह वर्सेस कुलवंत सिंह के केस में. इस केस में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने क्या ऑब्जर्व करा, क्या बोला सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने? सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ऑब्जर्व करा कि अगर एक मेल मेंबर जो है जॉइंट हिंदू फैमिली का, ठीक है, अगर वो कोई भी प्रॉपर्टी परचेस करता है खुद की इनकम से, जैसे कि अपनी खुद की सैलरी इनकम, जैसे सैलरी होगी राइट, बाय हिज ओन सैलरी इनकम, जैसी वो प्रॉपर्टी अगर कोई भी वो परचेस करता है खुद की सैलरी इनकम से, वो उसकी सेल्फ एक्वायर्ड प्रॉपर्टी होगी. ठीक है, सच प्रॉपर्टी इज इनहेरिटेड बाय हिज हेयर बाय सक्सेशन. It could not be said to be the property of joint Hindu family. That particular property will not be said as the property of joint Hindu family. You people should know this particular case. This is one of the very much important case whenever you will be reading the joint family and co-parcenary topic. So must prefer the case of Makhan Singh versus Kulwant Singh AIR 2007 Supreme Court. ठीक है, this one is very much important, and if you people have any doubt, you people can ask me below in the comment box, and do like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and you yourself must prefer the cases whenever you are reading any of the topic. So thank you.